Today we're going to work on setting up Flubaroo. We've created a quiz. We need to set up the spreadsheet for the responses, and then we need to enable Flubaroo for the self-grading. So I go responses, and we want to click on this to create a spreadsheet for where the responses will go. The spreadsheet for the responses picks up the same name as the quiz or test or whatever document you've created as the form with the self-grading answers. So you'll hit create, and it will launch this. And what it does is it goes ahead and goes timestamp username, and now we have all of our questions here. And we want to go I'm going to go to my old sheet real quick and copy this for the key and just paste it in so we have this. And we want to go to add-ons. We want to go to get add-ons. And here's Flubaroo, and it's free. And it says you want to be able to look at our email addresses in Google Drive and send emails and things like that. And you hit allow. Okay, and it's working. And then we get a notification that once it's collected student submissions, you can grade the assignment. So let's go to add-ons and go to Flubaroo. We go down to advanced, and we have some advanced options. We can go to here. And it shows here, do we want anything below 70% to show in red? Yeah, that's fine. Let's leave that there. You can change it obviously to any of these. You can allow extra credit. You can allow, if you do have short answers, you can choose grade by hand. It will skip to the next question. We have some of those other options there. So we'll submit that. We go to our add-ons, go back to Flubaroo, and we're going to go to Advanced and Enable Auto Grade. And we said OK. Let's set up our grading. And identify student is the username. That's what we're going to use here. That timestamp just lets you know what time they've done that. We want normal grading for all of our other things. You can adjust your point values. If we have 15 questions in this quiz. If you wanted to make them worth 3 or 4 points apiece, or scatter them so you get 50 points, or however you want to make that, that's up to you. Hit continue, and it says which one do we want to use as the key. I'm going to choose to use this as the key. This is the only one we have right here. The Spanish teacher took this. Hit continue. Now we can share the grades with the students. We want to share them based on their username. We're going to send them an email. We want to include the list of questions and the score they got for it. If you want to include the answer key, all you have to do is check this and hit continue. Now what will happen as students are done, you can see that their responses will pop in here automatically, and another tab will be created right here that says grades. So if I look back here, one that I've already done, if I go to grades, you can see what it's done. This is the quiz I took earlier. Under grades, what it's going to do is it's going to give you item analysis for each question and show you, and it will highlight the questions where they scored a lower percentage on. This will be the total questions that for the class average per question. Okay? And I'm the only person that took it so far. There are 15 possible points. I got 13. There's only one submission. Okay? Number of low scoring questions were 2 because I missed 2 questions, so they fell below the area.